In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your zip code on PayPal. Finding your zip code within your PayPal account is a common need, whether you're confirming details for a new purchase, updating your profile, or verifying your identity for security reasons. It's a straightforward process, but knowing exactly where to look can save you time and hassle. We'll walk through the simple steps together to locate this important piece of information quickly and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily retrieve your zip code whenever you need it from your PayPal account. To begin, you'll first need to log into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully logged in and on your main PayPal dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for an icon that typically resembles a gear or a cogwheel. This is your Settings icon. Sometimes it might be labeled directly as Settings, or you might find it under a drop-down menu associated with your profile picture or name. Clicking on this icon will take you to your account settings page, which is the central hub for managing all your personal and account-related information. This is where you can update everything from your contact details to your payment preferences. Make sure you're on a secure connection when logging in and navigating these sensitive areas of your account. After clicking the Settings icon, you'll land on a page filled with various options and tabs. Our goal here is to find the section dedicated to your addresses. Typically, on the Settings page, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side or tabs across the top. Look for an option explicitly labeled Addresses or something similar, like Street Addresses or Manage Addresses. This section is crucial because your zip code is intrinsically linked to the physical addresses you have on file with PayPal. You might have several addresses listed here, such as a primary home address, a shipping address, or a billing address. If you've moved recently or have multiple residences, ensure you're looking at the correct address associated with the zip code you need. Click on this Addresses option to proceed. Once you're on the Addresses page, you will see a list of all the physical addresses associated with your PayPal account. Each address will be displayed with its full details, including the street name, city, state, and of course, the zip code. Your zip code will typically be the last numerical component of your address, usually appearing after the state. It's often a 5-digit number, though some addresses may include a 4-digit extension, making it a 9-digit code often referred to as zip/4. Carefully review each address listed until you find the specific address for which you need the zip code. The zip code will be clearly visible as part of that address block,